How to recover a TikTok account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the TikTok application on your device. You will see the question mark icon on the top right of your screen. Tap on that. Under Topics, tap on Recover Your Account. Now tap on any of the option you remember from your old account. I will tap on Username and enter my username. Now in order to verify, I only have one option, that is my Google account. So I will tap on that and verify the account further, and with this you will be able to recover your account. If this method does not work for you, open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for TikTok feedback. Tap on the first link there. This entire link is for feedbacks. Now enter your contact information here, that is your email address, your username which is optional. Now tap on the topic drop-down and select an option. Since we want to recover a TikTok account, tap on General Account Inquiry and then on the other drop-down tap on Login Issue. Also, in the How Can We Help text box, explain your issue properly. Make sure to be more informative and descriptive about your issue for quicker responses. If you have any screenshots as a proof, then include those under attachments too. Also, select these check boxes here and now tap on Submit. With this, your request has been submitted and you will receive a reply from TikTok soon regarding your account recovery. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.